What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be completely changing my computer and building a whole new one that'll be a lot better than this. One of the main reasons I'm doing this is because my GPU in my computer, it stopped working. It doesn't do anything anymore, so this computer doesn't work. So I'm going to be completely stripping out this case today and building a whole new computer in there. Here are some of the parts we're going to be upgrading. So we've got a new motherboard, and then on this motherboard there's an i7 7820X, and then we've got the Kraken X62 liquid cooler. The things we're going to be reusing in my setup are all the fans, the two SSDs, and the power supply. Right, so this is my Bundy setup. I just need that light so I can actually see what I'm doing. Time to strip this case out. So this is probably the best angle I can get. So I've just stopped the time lapse because there's all these cables. So I'm going to go through all the cables, see what's what, and then cable manage it for all the new stuff to go in. So the case is completely stripped now. Bro, I don't know if you can see this, but look at how dirty this is. I'm going to take this outside and use the air compressor to clean it all. And now it's time to put in the new motherboard. Before I put the motherboard into the case, I've got to install the RAM. Alright, it's in. Now number 2. After watching a YouTube video, I got it in. Time to put it into the case. Alright, here we go. I had a little bit of trouble, but I got it in. So now I'm going to put the power supply in and figure out all these cables. So the power supply is back in, and now I've got to sort through all these cables and figure out what ones I need to plug into the motherboard. Guys, I'm making progress. I figured out what some of these are down here. I've plugged in my SSDs. We're making good progress. Now I'm going to install the CPU cooler. So the radiator's installed, and it's got these fans at the front for intake. So I'm going to use the fans that came with the radiator, and I'm going to try and install them up the top there for exhaust. It sits up in there. Alrighty. It fits. It's really dark in there on the camera, but we got the fan in. Now let's put the other one in. And just like that, they're both in. It is coming together quite nicely. Alright, it's time to put the CPU cooler onto the CPU. Okay, I have it really zoomed in so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Is it that way? Yep, that's the right way. I did it, guys. I did it. Skipping very far ahead, the cable management is all done. There you go, that's all the cables managed nicely. I didn't do this. My dad probably spent half an hour to an hour cable managing all this. Big shout out to him. The graphics card finally arrived. I don't want to wait any longer, let's just get this thing installed. There it is. Let's put it in. So we gotta take that off. And that. And there we go. She's in. Just got to put the 2 screws on the side. So because this is all done and ready, now I got to go through this box and get all the cables that I need and plug everything in. This is going to take me a while. So enjoy this time lapse of me plugging in everything. I am hot and sweaty, but we're making progress. It's just taking longer than I thought. So we got all the cables back there, and I'm trying to hide them as best I can. Some time has gone by and everything is cable managed. I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer, so here you go. This is my new PC. Hope you enjoyed that little cinematic. I tried my best on it. Oh my god, guys. The new setup is looking so good. Here's one last look at the whole setup before I end the video. So we've reached the end of the video. Please comment down below what your thoughts are on the new build. I'm blown away by it. I absolutely love it. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Every day.